To use read callers names twice feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap answering and ending calls, tap read caller names allowed, and then tap the gray on offset next to read caller names twice until the switch on screen to turn it on. With the setting that you can see in the screen, when there's an incoming call while your phone is connected to a headset or Bluetooth device, it will read the caller names aloud twice, so you can make sure that you know who's calling you before you have a conversation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.